Welcome back, viewers. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey into the world of ancient Greek mythology as we explore the divine pantheon of Olympian gods and goddesses. Join me as we unravel the stories of Zeus, the mighty king of gods, Athena, the wise goddess of warfare, and Aphrodite, the enchanting deity of love and beauty. We'll dive into the realm of Poseidon, ruler of the seas, and Hades, the mysterious god of the underworld. Discover the myths, symbols, and significance of these 12 powerful deities who shaped the ancient Greek civilization. Let's unlock the secrets of the divine Olympus together. The Olympian gods and goddesses form a captivating and influential pantheon that played a central role in the religious beliefs and mythology of ancient Greece. This divine assembly consisted of 12 principal deities who resided atop Mount Olympus, the highest peak in Greece. These gods and goddesses exerted immense power and influenced various aspects of human life, nature, and the cosmos. Let us delve into the fascinating world of the Olympian gods and goddesses. Zeus, the king of the gods, reigned supreme over Mount Olympus. He was the god of the sky, thunder, and lightning. Zeus was known for his immense power, often depicted with a thunderbolt in his hand. He was also associated with justice and served as the upholder of order and law. Hera, Zeus's sister and wife, was the queen of the gods and the goddess of marriage and childbirth. She was revered as the protector of married women and presided over the institution of marriage. Despite her prominent role, Hera often found herself entangled in conflicts due to Zeus's numerous affairs. Poseidon, Zeus's brother, ruled over the seas and was considered the god of the oceans, earthquakes, and horses. He held the power to summon storms and earthquakes and was worshipped by sailors and seafarers seeking his protection during their journeys. Hades, another brother of Zeus, governed the realm of the dead, known as the underworld. He was the god of the dead and the afterlife, a realm shrouded in mystery and darkness. Hades was not typically worshipped by the living, but his name was invoked in funeral rites and ceremonies. Athena, the daughter of Zeus, embodied wisdom, strategy, and warfare. She was the patron goddess of Athens and played a significant role in Greek mythology. Athena was often depicted wearing a helmet and carrying a spear and shield. She was considered a strategic and just deity, guiding heroes and offering counsel in times of need. Apollo, the son of Zeus and the twin brother of Artemis, was a multifaceted deity. He was associated with music, poetry, prophecy, healing, and the sun. Apollo was revered as the god of light and was renowned for his oracles, where his priestesses, the Pythia, delivered prophecies at the temple of Delphi. Artemis, Apollo's twin sister, was the goddess of the hunt, wilderness, and the moon. She was often depicted with a bow and arrows, accompanied by a group of nymphs and woodland creatures. Artemis was highly venerated as the protector of young girls, wildlife, and the natural world. Aphrodite, the goddess of love, beauty, and desire, was born from the sea foam. She possessed a captivating allure and was capable of inspiring intense passion and affection. Aphrodite played a significant role in various myths and was associated with the concept of romantic love. Hermes, the messenger of the gods, held an essential role as the god of travel, trade, and communication. He was depicted with winged sandals and a winged hat, symbolizing his swift movement and ability to traverse different realms. Hermes was also known as a trickster deity, often outwitting others through his cunning. Hephaestus, the god of fire, metalworking, and craftsmanship, was renowned for his skills as a blacksmith. He forged weapons and armor for the gods and crafted magnificent objects, such as Zeus's thunderbolts. Hephaestus was physically impaired but possessed exceptional artistic abilities. Demeter, the goddess of agriculture and fertility, presided over the harvest and the growth of crops. She was deeply revered by farmers and held responsible for the cycle of seasons. Demeter's grief for her abducted daughter, Persephone, played a crucial role in the myth of the changing seasons. When Persephone was taken by Hades to the underworld, Demeter's sorrow caused the earth to wither and die, resulting in winter. Upon Persephone's return, the earth bloomed again, bringing forth spring and abundance. Dionysus, the god of wine, celebration, and ecstasy, was known for his wild and uninhibited nature. He represented the revelry and joyful abandon found in festivals and gatherings. Dionysus was often depicted with a vine or a wine goblet, symbolizing the transformative and liberating power of his domain. Ares, the god of war and conflict, personified the brutal aspects of warfare. He was often depicted as a fierce warrior, wielding a spear and wearing armor. Ares embodied the chaotic and destructive nature of war, inspiring warriors with courage and battle prowess. These 12 Olympian gods and goddesses formed the core of the ancient Greek Pantheon. They were revered and worshipped throughout the Greek world, with various festivals, temples, and rituals dedicated to their honor. The gods and goddesses often interacted with mortals, intervening in their lives, and shaping the course of human history. It is important to note that the Greek Pantheon consisted of numerous other gods, goddesses, and divine beings, each with their own domains and significance. However, the Olympian gods and goddesses held a special place as the most powerful and influential deities, shaping the narratives of Greek mythology and leaving an indelible mark on ancient Greek culture.